As you head out the door this morning, here's some traffic news that hopefully will eventually make your morning commute a little easier. The State Department of Transportation is moving forward with plans to ease traffic on I-75 in Charlotte County. The 4-mile stretch from Jones Loop Road to US 17 is the only 4-lane section of 75 that's left between Naples and the Florida-Georgia border. Later this year, the state is expected to begin a $29 million project that will expand the highway to 6 lanes. Construction will last about a year and a half.